Thank you. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Yu Li. I'm a PhD student in Consumer and Design Sciences. The title of my research is the potential of using PLA and soft PLA for 3D print wearable. 3D printing technology also have a significant role in successful practice. Some people always say 3D printing is more sustainable compared to the traditional manufacturing. However, this is not true. The material waste, the pollution generation, they're all the environmental issues 3D printing are facing today. That's why one of the most important strategies to achieve sustainable manufacturing is using the material which have less negative impact on the environment. PLA and soft PLA are two most important sustainable materials for 3D printing. PLA is a material which is biodegradable and can be produced with renewable resource. And the soft PLA is a special type of PLA, have a higher flexibility and also biodegradable. However, only few studies apply PLA and soft PLA in 3D layer structure textile design. Furthermore, the height of layer of each material is shoot from the 3D printer also have influence on the appearance of 3D printed object. However, no study investigate the appearance change of 3D printed textile with different layer height. That's why the purpose of the study is to explore the possibility of using 3D print layer structure textile for the sustainable wearable product development with PLA and soft PLA. This study also investigates the appearance change of 3D print textile with different layer height. This study applied research to design methodology, and it has 4 steps: 3D modeling, 3D printing setting, 3D printing, and prototype. At last, 4 3D layer structure textile prototypes with different material and various layer height were created. The picture here shows the 4 prototypes created for this study. And the result of this study indicates that PLA and soft PLA have a great potential for manufacturing 3D printed wearable products, will have less negative impact on the environment. Soft PLA could be applied to ready-to-wear apparel, and the PLA could be applied to fashion accessory. Furthermore, the layer height possibly influence the appearance of 3D printed layer structure textile. And that's all. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.